In this video, we will be subtracting integers using a number line. Usually, when we see this symbol, we think of subtraction or taking away something. Now that we're working with integers, I want you to now think of this symbol as meaning the opposite of. All right, so usually we start at 0 when plotting these integers, and we move to the right in the positive direction until we get to a positive 5. And then we want to do the opposite of a positive 2. So the opposite of a positive 2 is negative 2. So I am going to turn and go 2 units in the negative direction, which is to the left. And my final answer will be a positive 3. Taking a look at the second one, which is negative 5 minus 2. We're going to start at 0 and we're going to go to the left in the direction of negative until we line up with negative 5. Now, again, we are now using this symbol to represent the opposite of. So since the opposite of a positive 2 is a negative 2, I am going to keep going in the direction, in the negative direction, which is to the left, 2 units. And that's how I will end up at negative 7. The next one, negative 5 minus negative 2. So I'm going to start at 0 and I'm going to go in which direction, to the right or to the left? Well, negative is to the left, so I'm going to go 5 units to the left. Now, which way am I going to go? Am I going to continue to the left or am I going to turn around and go to the right? Well, this means the opposite of a negative 2. So the opposite of a negative 2 is what? It is a positive 2. So positive numbers go to the right. So I'm going to turn around and go to the right 2 units and I will land on negative 3. And the last one in this series is I'm going to start at 0 and I'm going to go to positive 5, which is to the right. Now, which way am I going to go? Now, I can continue to the right or I can turn around and go to the left in the direction of negative. Well, I'm going to do the opposite of negative 2, which is what? Positive 2. So really, in this case, I will add on to my number line and go 2 units and end up at a positive 7. In this video, we talked about subtracting integers using a number line.